guys.
And welcome if you're new.
Yeah, for the new people.
Let's go.
And if you are new around here, we are Leah and Lee and we are Borders and Beyond. And we're currently doing a little tour around Ireland.
Kildare we're in at the moment.
We are currently in the National Stud and Japanese Gardens, which is somewhere we would have never really thought of going until we saw a photo of it and said,
let's go there.
let's go there. We were on our way home from Glamping, which you would have seen in one of our previous videos. We said we'd stop off on the way home, and it's pretty beautiful.
It's pretty good.
And it's a pretty beautiful day out, which is unusual for here in Ireland. So we're making the most of it.
Let's go.
So we're going to take a walk around and have a look. So they have like little plaques of all the different horses that are in the paddock and all their winnings and the races they won.
A hurricane flies there. He won me money before.
Hello, little horsey. Are you following me? Oh, hello! Lee's ready to go off on a journey with the horses.
Howdy, ma'am.
He's lazy like you.
Correct. He's dead right.
But no, he's not dead. So the park that we're currently in is called St. Fiacre's Garden, and according to the leaflet that we got, it is a spiritual place and seeks to represent the naked backdrop of Ireland at its most raw and rugged. Like the thoroughbred racehorse, the garden is breathtaking thanks to its beauty that is completely natural.
Yep.
And St. Fiacre was renowned for his charitable work and devotion to those in need, and that's why he became a saint.
Good boy, Fiacre. You're a good boy.
Our fact of today that we didn't know.
On my head. Jesus, I wouldn't let me head off up here. Come on.
A little beehive foot, and they were kind of really popular back in the day. Sitting in the forget-me-not spot. It's where you come and sit and remember things that made you smile. So, like, the stud farm and stuff is pretty cool, and it's pretty nice to see the horses, but there's so many little pieces of history kind of scattered around the walk as well, which I find more fascinating anyway. So, yeah.
Well, the horses were lovely, but yeah, no, the history is really important.
Do like a bit of history, so yeah. He's like dipping for food. Ah, oh yeah.
They're nice.
So in the stud itself, there's they keep the mares and the foals away from the stallions, so they're on like separate sides, and they have, you know, you can go and visit and see them. And it's pretty cool. But we're now on to the part that we actually came to see, the Japanese gardens.
In El Japan.
We've just entered the Japanese garden through the gates of oblivion, and there's 15 steps along the way that you can stop, and it's all about zen and bit of peace and yeah,
Yin yang.
all about yeah, the Japanese have a great culture of being at zen and being, you know, at peace with yourself, and yeah, so that's what they're trying to incorporate here.
And we got great sushis too.
Another rugged path. surrounds of the cave of birth, from where the lure of light symbolises the journey's true beginning. Yeah.
Child sees a light from the hill of learning. He climbs and gains wisdom. Tall trees tempt him to look high, but there is danger in that. And in the steep pitfall to his side, he knows now to take care. Still young, his journey continues along the path of adventure. Eventually the path offers three choices. To the right lies a smooth, carefree path. To the left, the narrow path of bachelorhood, only wide enough for one. Whilst straight ahead are steeping stones towards wedded life and a shared existence.
That's cute.
I'm on the bachelor's one.
How's that?
Eventually chooses marriage and proceeds to the island of joy and wonder. Meeting his wife, they cross the engagement bridge before sharing a feast at the prenuptial table.
Okay, quick, let's go to the engagement bridge.
No. Their union is confirmed on the marriage bridge and the couple embark on their new lives together. Thanks to the difference of opinion, they briefly separate but soon reunite and look forward to the future.
There you go, I'll go left, you go right, see you later. Bye.
Oh, we're reunited, how are you?
How are you? Couple begin to climb the hill of ambition, but eager to drink from the well of wisdom, they are tempted by a shortcut. However, it leads to nowhere, so they return and approach from a different route. Embracing the work needed to reach on the summit, once they arrive, they pause, look back and reflect on what they've achieved throughout their lives. They reached the summit. Number 11, their work is almost done. Ambition fulfilled, they descend towards tea house, stopping at the waterfall to pray to the gods. The path is suddenly easier, the water is calmer. There's a cute little Japanese style restaurant and stuff you could eat in too, which is always good to know.
Konnichiwa.
We have just arrived in Killarney in County Kerry.
Hey, what you do?
Sat down and I think of all of Killarney National Park, this is my favourite spot.
I think of all we've done of Ireland, this is my favourite spot.